Now, there's a couple different ways to make nut and seed milks. I'm showing you the press juicer version. I'm going to show you the NutriBullet version. There's a third version that I know about. There may be more. And that's the blender version, and then you run it through a nut milk bag, but that takes 2 steps, and each of these are just 1 step. So we'll do it in just 1 step. Now, this almond pulp is, beautiful nutrition as well. I'll be showing you what to do with this. You can make macaroons, you can make pie crust, you can dehydrate it to just make almond flour. You can also use it as a skin scrub. Like if I'm not planning on making macaroons or pie crust or something like that, or cheese, you can use to make, put herbs in there and you can make a really nice cheese with it. But if I'm not planning to use it for food, I'll use it for a scrub because there's so much available vitamin E in there. When you just like get in the shower and you scrub your skin with it, it really makes your skin look beautiful. So check out this beautiful white milk. How gorgeous is that? Like, do you think that, look at that, right? I mean, you saw, I did that in real time. How beautiful is that?